As I think you're aware, we recently hired Colin Cooper, who is a 25-year plus manufacturing veteran in the aerospace industry. He's serving as the state's first chief manufacturing officer. So he sits literally 10 feet away from me in the office. He's working across agencies, but he's out there, and he's going to be the one that's going to be advising the governor, myself and others on, here's what we need to be doing. Here are the first priorities. Here's where we need to borrow money here in terms of helping the industry as it relates to talent potentially, if there are incentives needed for capital investment that we don't have to be competitive. So I'm going to rely a lot on Colin as it relates to the nitty gritty. He's an expert, and that's kind of the Lamont.
And he's not afraid to talk to you, right? He'll tell you what you need to know, whether you want to know it or not.
Absolutely. And him and I have a great relationship, and his experience I think is going to be really important. But having a practitioner, what I heard from the manufacturing industry when I started spending a lot of time is they don't want the government to think they know what's right. They want someone who actually managed these businesses through economic cycles, through business cycles, to be that person. And Colin is doing that.